Welcome to Technology Buzz, where we unravel the future of technology and investments. Today, we're diving into the realm of artificial intelligence and its groundbreaking applications in finance. Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't just about advanced chatbots or self-driving cars. In finance, it's a game changer. From sophisticated algorithms to the latest in investment strategies, AI is reshaping the way we approach the market. Hedge funds and traders leverage AI for a competitive edge, but its benefits go beyond. AI processes vast data sets, aiding in stock selection, market predictions, portfolio optimization, risk management, and even providing personalized investment advice. Now let's explore how you as an investor can harness AI. Begin with stock picking using tools like Zacks, where AI helps filter stocks based on various criteria, making your decision-making more efficient. Next, automated portfolio building. Robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment take it a step further. They automate the process, creating portfolios tailored to your goals. AI determines the optimal mix of stocks and ensures continuous rebalancing for optimal performance. Trading platforms and order entry tools. Trading in near instantaneous time? AI has you covered. From sophisticated order entry to smart exit strategies, AI reduces the emotional roller coaster in trading. It's a game changer in managing your trades effectively. Let's look at Accelerated Prop Group, APG, your gateway to the future of trading. See links in the comments section below. APG's innovative platform combines the prowess of AI with a user-friendly interface, making it the perfect companion for beginners. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your skills, Accelerated Prop Group offers a unique blend of educational resources, real-time market data, and cutting-edge AI tools. To get you started on your investing journey, see link in the comments section for APG and other companies mentioned in this video. Next up, portfolio optimization. AI isn't just about making trades, it's about optimizing your entire portfolio. Identify the perfect mix of assets that align with your risk tolerance and time horizon, maximizing returns relative to risk. Let's look at AI algorithms for data interpretation and predictions. The goal is to use AI algorithms for predicting stock or security movements to generate profits. Active money managers aim to outperform market indexes with varying success. Understanding that not all models are perfect, but with AI, you can enhance your predictions, especially if you believe in identifying market cycles. Now, let's take a look at strategies for risk management using AI. As you know, managing risk is crucial. AI not only helps in conjunction with modern portfolio theory, but also reduces overexposure to individual stocks and establishes automated option strategies for effective risk management. Let's talk at how robo-advisors uses AI. Robo-advisors streamline the investment journey using AI. From the initial questionnaire to model portfolios, AI guides every step. Learn how these platforms determine the optimal stock mix based on modern portfolio theory. Ready to incorporate AI into your investing? Follow these steps. 1. Understand your financial goals. 2. Choose your investing method, robo-advisor or self-investing. 3. Select a strategy. 4. Identify your investing tools. And 5. Start managing your portfolio. AI can analyze any financial information, from a company's earnings to technical analysis tools. It's a powerful tool, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. Now, the big question is investing with AI safe? Absolutely yes, but it depends on the quality of the AI application and your ability to use it wisely. AI can help identify safe stocks, but it's crucial to understand the risks. So that's a wrap on today's exploration of AI in investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, the future is now in your hands. But wait, the learning doesn't stop here. Click on the links in the comments section below to learn more about AI and its impact on investing. For continuous learning on AI, dive into Skillshare's extensive library of classes. Stay updated on the latest trends and technologies, ensuring that you remain at the forefront of the AI revolution in finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, happy investing in the age of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching.